So let's make some money. I've just placed a $500 trade, and if I get this trade, I will get back $770, which will be $270 profit, because obviously I'm placing a trade of 500, so I get my $500 back plus the 270, which will take it up to 770. So let me first tell you that each one of these candles, now a candle, if you can see those green and rectangles and that red rectangles, they're called candles, okay, and each one of those is a minute long. So I'm going to do about 4 or 5 trades in this video. There you go, I've just got that first trade. Now I cut out and paused because I waited. Look, 4 candles went, so 4 minutes passed. Rather than let you sit through that, I actually paused the video and switched back on here, placed my second trade of $500. Now if I get this trade, I'll win some more money, which is fantastic. Now if you want to know how to do this stuff, below this video you're going to find a link that will take you over to our training course. And what we've got is an ebook for you that takes you step by step, and we've also got 12 modules training videos that you can do from home with a cup of tea. I'll show you inside the what you get inside the training program in a moment. But we've got, what, 29 seconds or 27, 25 seconds left for this trade. And then I should tell you if I got a win or not. Well, you'll see whether I got a win. I'm pretty confident now that I'm going to get this, because you know, the price has definitely changed direction, which I thought it would do based on the signals that I saw. And if you want to know what those signals were and you want to learn how to do this stuff, then make sure you get our free video training modules with the copy of every book. Okay, so there you go. There's another trade, $480 profit that time. Got back $980. So let's see if we can get another trade in. I'll maybe pause this video until I get the signal. And here we are. We got a signal. By mistake here, I've actually pressed the button twice. So I know it says $500 there, but I've actually placed a trade of $1,000. Okay. Now, if I get this right, I'll get back $1,940. And again, I'm very confident because of the signals that I saw on the screen when I placed this trade. And as you can see, I didn't place it on that first green candle that popped out. I placed my trade on the second green candle. And again, in our book, in our training course, we explain to you why you know, these trades like this are taken. So I actually made a mistake, as I said here, and pressed that button twice. I should have only placed one $500, but I placed $1,000. But it doesn't matter because I got $1,940 back, so that's $940 profit. And I've just placed another trade because I saw another signal. As you see that red candle shot out the bottom there, and I got these Bollinger bands all pointing downwards. And I've made another trade. So this is the 5th trade. This will probably do this will be the last one, okay? And then we'll sort of show you what you get inside the training course. So I've placed a trade here of $500, and if I get this, I'll win $470 profit. And look at that, how fantastic's that? $975 return. That's a profit of $475. In total there, I've got 4 trades, and the total profit is $2,165. Now, how cool is that? Now, if you want to learn how to do that stuff, then you need a copy of our ebook. We're in pre-launch offer for this ebook. It's only $9.95. With every copy, you get our video module training. So let me show you what you get once you've paid. So once you've paid for the book, you're going to bring you into the inside, okay? You can download a copy of the book here. But look what you get on top of this, because I want to show you the stuff, the bonus material that we're giving you away completely free. We've got module 1 there, which is an introduction showing you the trading platform that we actually use. You can create a free demo account, so you don't have to, you know, trade with real money. You can, you know, while you're learning, you can be doing in demo mode, okay? And then when you feel confident and you want to step up the game, obviously you can start to trade with real money. But we've got all these videos for you, all these training modules here that take you step by step and show you how to trade exactly like I just did on the screen. So if you want to get access to this training, it's just going to cost you $9.95. I tell you what, it'll be the best $10 you've ever spent. It really will. You get access to the ebook and you get access to all that training, and we'll have you trading like a pro in no time. So you have an amazing day. Happy trading, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye now.